The Sneezing Cloud Parade. Once upon a time, high in the candy blue sky, lived a tiny cloud named Puff Puff. Puff Puff had a problem. He sneezed. Ah, choo! Puff. Out came sparkly raindrops. The big clouds laughed. Clouds don't sneeze. They boomed. But Puff Puff felt sad and floated away. Down below, the land was dry. Flowers drooped. Frogs yawned. Then, ah, choo! Puff Puff sneezed again and rainbow rain sprinkled everywhere. Flowers popped open. Frogs danced. Kids splashed and cheered. Soon other clouds tried sneezing too. Achoo! Kerchoo! Tiny choo! The sky filled with giggles, colors, and happy rain. The sun smiled and said, Puff Puff, your sneeze is a gift. From that day on, whenever the world needs a smile, Puff Puff leads the Sneezing Cloud Parade fun message for kids. Being different can make the world brighter.